my beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you're fine and you're doing great, guys. Okay guys, this video is a little bit different from what I usually do because I want to share with you guys the most powerful DIY face masks and it's what I've been using for spotless. If you're suffering from pigmentation, acne, dry skin, and you want to glow, this video is definitely for you. Or you know someone also who is also passing through that. You know, these days girls want their skin to glow, pim. So, and one thing for this DIY, it is easily available and very effective. Also, it's in your kitchen already. It's just for you to know what it is and go ahead and use it. I'm already doing it. I do once a week alongside with all of the skincare, face skincare I use alongside with that. Or you can do, if your pigmentation is much or your acne is much, you can do it regular for it to get the effective, for its benefit, for more effect of it. So guys, I'm going to review to you the secret ingredient we are going to use for this DIY. It's not a secret ingredient, it's something that we already know. Guys, let's dive into the video. All you need, tablespoon of turmeric. This is oats, grounded oatmeal. This is it. Mix it, and a tablespoon of honey. This is honey. So these are the three ingredients you need, just because the honey is what you use in mixing them. So mix it properly. So guys, this is it. Let's apply. Guys, you have a consistency like this. This is what you should be getting. So come on, let's apply. And so guys, after the mixing, it's time to apply on our face. Because of the honey, it will be a little thicker what. Let's apply it. Be careful not to stain your clothes, guys. Be careful not to stain your clothes, because you know turmeric also, it's not good. If it stains clothes, it's difficult to go out. These have been my get to go face masks for a long time. This is what I have been using for a long time, so it's very good. It's so good. You can as well rub on your neck side if you want. Okay, we are done. Thumbnail. Alright guys, so after applying it, you have to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes for it to dry. Then after 15 minutes, we'll get back to you and you'll see how it looks. We'll be right back. So guys, while we wait for it to dry after 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, let's see the benefit of turmeric. Turmeric, you know, turmeric is very good for skin. It's a very powerful ingredient, both for health, for skin, for a lot of things. All right guys, right guys, see, after the washing, I just finished washing it. I just finished washing, guys, and okay, see how it is. It makes your face so smooth and nice to feel like a baby face, you know, like this. And after that, you can go on with your skin routine. You know your skin routine. For me, I just apply my syrup. This is my face syrup. I use this. I don't know if you can see it. So this is the face syrup I use. I just have to apply my face syrup. I got this from Amazon. You can get your own face syrup from anywhere. And use, and it will help to glow more. This is daily my routine for skin care. You just massage it on your face. And I also use this. This is the Mom Co from the mom.com. I got this for an under eye. This is for under eye cream, like this. Just apply. You know, I hate this sack of bag. Need a sleepless night, maybe, you know yourself. So you just apply it and smoothen it, and you're good to go. Check out my skin, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy watching, and I hope this will solve your problem of pigmentation, acne, or whatever face problem you're going on with it. And if this is your first time stopping by, my dear, my darling, my beautiful, please smash that red button, okay? Do it right now. I'm watching you. Please do it. And don't forget to also turn on your notification bell, that bell there. Yes, turn it on so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to give me thumbs up, guys, please. Thumbs up will also make this video to go to more audience that needs it, so that they, you know, ladies these days, we want to take care of our skin more, so it will reach to people also who wants to take care of their skin too. All right guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Life is full of blessings. Thank God for